Alright, just made over to the island. The dam current was pretty strong. Got out of there. Now Christy and I are hopping in. Stevenston Island behind us. The dam is back that way. Let's get it.
I love you. Have fun.
I love you, honey. Yeah?
Can I come by you?
You need a kayak to put stuff in, honey.
All I found was it.
You need that. You're gonna float away with the current.
Cool.
You.
I want to find her.
Hey, hon.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? I just found a button.
Buttons are awesome too. There's a big log right here.
Can I see?
You can see it, but I cleaned it off already.
Hello?
Quit being a whiner.
I can't see it. I found a button. We were meant to see together. This is a rip wrap.
No, it's not.
Well, here, me.
There's plenty in this area. A little bit stronger currents here. A little bit more. She's getting cold. Good job, hon. Oh, good job, hon. Well, that's a bad day. Shimano. I found 2 buttons. Check that out. Woo! That's a nice beer right there. Also found this Abu Garcia reel with a Shimano rod right here. This is over by the island. A crushed bottle right here. Coca-Cola bottle from Greenlander. Some other broken glass and some cans. Really cool piece of wood right here in the river. I'm gonna dry it out and hang it on the wall as decoration. Awesome dive. Can't wait to be back in the water again. Back at home now. Got all the lures laid out from today, and this was from yesterday in Peshko River. And this anchor and these lures were from Minocqua, Wisconsin. Got to process all these now. Gonna be fun. It was definitely cold and windy that day, but me and my mermaid really cleaned up the Menominee River.